Today we continue with part 2 of our DCC installation in an Athearn Drumroll GP50 right now. Today we need to attach our truck pickup wires to the metal clips here and here. Those will be the red wires. We also need to attach wires to the front here, which is the negative pickup. These two pick up for the positive pickup through the truck from the right rail. So we've got a red wire. This one picks up from the frame to the negative left rail, and that will receive black wires. So first we need to tin all 3 connection points. The front clip here, which is the negative for the left rail through the frame, and the 2 positive leads from the truck that connect to the right rail. We now have all of our 3 points to attach a wire to tinned. So there, there, and there. So now we need to attach our red and black wires. Now we have our 4 wires cut. 2 3-inch long, approximately 3-inch long red, 1 approximately 5-inch long black, and 1 approximately 6-inch long black. So we're going to strip these and tin them and show you where to install them. Okay, now we've got our wires tinned, and we have the black wires doubled up so that they can both be soldered to the negative pickup from the frame. So now we're going to solder the black wires onto the connection here to the frame. We now have the black wires attached to the negative pickup point from the frame. Now we'll attach the red wires to the pickups for the positive rail, here and here. Okay, now you can see we have all connections for the positive pickup and the negative pickup. For this installation, we're going to use a TCS RTR-MB1 motherboard with an EU821 21-pin 8-function decoder. We chose this particular combination of motherboard and decoder so that the customer can easily upgrade to sound decoder and also so that they can add more functions other than the headlight and the reverse light if they wish in the future. Now we're going to give you an overview of the TCS RTR-MB1. As you can see here, it has a 21 pin connection, and on the back it has 4 capacitors and a clip that easily clips on to the positive motor clip on the Athearn ready run motor. Next, we're going to install the RTR-MB1 motherboard and hook up all the leads from the trucks and the frame. Now before we do this, we're going to use a little bit of conductor lube. This helps with the contact between the clip on the bottom of the ready to run motherboard and the positive pickup clip on the motor. To install the ready run MB1 motherboard, make sure you have the motherboard correctly orientated so that the front of the motherboard is the front of the locomotive. So that would be this way. Now to install it, you have to gently find the clip, back clip, and push it down, and there, it's installed now. Okay, next thing to do is to attach the negative motor lead to the connection on the motherboard, and also the red leads to the far connection on the motherboard on the upper outside connection, and then the black wires to the lower outside connection. So you can see right here. So we'll do that and then we'll get back to you. Okay, now we've got all our connections onto the motherboard. The red to the red positive, and the black to the black negative. Those are the track pickup connections. And then we have the negative motor connection right here. So we'll install the decoder and give it a test run and see what we got. Here is the EU821 8 function 21 pin decoder. And now it's time for the Featured Friday Channel of the Week. The Featured Friday Channel of the Week for this week is Otter Creek and Rio Grande. The host is building 2 H13 time saver modules. He shows you everything from track laying to scenery work and wiring. I strongly encourage you to go to his channel, watch a couple videos, and if you like him, subscribe.